While most sectors in India have been facing the heat of the slowdown, the pharma industry, built into a strong and dynamic one by pioneers like Dr. Reddy of Dr. Reddy's labs, is one of the few that looks positive. In fact, India is increasingly gaining prominence even on the world stage, as Sriram Srinivasan of Accenture explains.
So the Pharma Export Council of India often refers to India as the pharmacy of the world. And one can easily see why. It's estimated that 1 in 4 tablets produced worldwide is actually produced from an Indian source. In life-threatening epidemics for mankind, which is AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria, over 90% of the sources of these drugs globally are from an Indian source. So clearly, India occupies a very, very eminent position in the global pharma industry. And companies such as Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, Lupin, Zydus have been at the forefront of putting India in this preeminent position.
Keeping this in mind, where is the growth likely to come from going ahead?
While both markets, the international and the domestic, will grow, we foresee that in the next 3 to 4 years, due to this generics boom and this patent cliff, the international market will actually grow faster than the Indian market, the domestic market. And this is the boom time for companies to leverage this. There are companies which are pretty much launching 2 to 3 new products every single month, while they used to actually launch about 5 in the entire year. So clearly that's the window of opportunity that Indian companies have. And even if you look at the export and the domestic numbers, this next couple of years is where the export numbers are actually going to overtake the local domestic market numbers.
Catch the whole story on Inside India's best known companies at these times only on Bloomberg TV India.